see you tomorrow then. Coronavirus. Woo! Bye-bye. Welcome to the CDC. May I help you?
Yes.
How may I help you?
You can start by wiping that fucking dumbass smile off your rosy fucking cheeks. Then give me some fucking protective gear, a fucking N95 mask, a fucking gown, some fucking goggles, 4 toilet paper rolls, and some sanitizer.
I really don't care for the way you're speaking to me.
And I don't care for the way the government left me in fucking nowhere with recommendations for protective gear that no one fucking has. I didn't care to fucking hunt down a fucking COVID test that you can't find fucking anywhere to get back here to have you smile at my fucking face. I want a fucking N95 respirator right fucking now.
May I see your emergency authorization agreement?
I threw it away.
Oh boy.
Oh boy, what?
You're fucked.